everyone, welcome back to my channel. So I've been doing a series of like gemstone facial massage videos. So I'll link them in the description box below, but I've basically done a video on Rose Quartz face rolling and also Gua Sha. So I thought I'd end this series with another beauty tool that I like to use on my face. So this is the Nurse Jamie Amethyst massaging beauty tool. So my first video I used the Rose Quartz face roller. So this is just a quick way to kind of go on the certain areas of your face. It's still great for like lymphatic drainage and all of that stuff. So loads of people do just roll it around their face, so I thought I would do a video to show that the proper way to actually use it. But you know, if you do just want to swiggle it around your face, like, you know, who's gonna know? So yeah, this just feels really great on the skin, and it's really easy to do, so I would recommend this. This costs £25 and it's going to last you pretty much a lifetime, so I would highly recommend this. So as for my Gua Sha tool, so this is a scraping tool for the face, which again you're going to need to learn a technique with this. This is probably the hardest one, so I did do a video all about this. So it just sort of fits into certain areas of your face. It's absolutely amazing. I love doing Gua Sha. So I believe that Gua Sha tool is actually quite cheap. This was like £12. So this little device today is actually £75. So it is a lot of money, but it is definitely worth it. So just depending on what kind of tool you want to use for your face, you can be like me and just be obsessive and have all three, or you can sort of find out from my videos which one is better suited to you. So this actually has a natural amethyst head, so it's 100% natural gemstone. I've had to put these in order of like the easiest to use. I'd say the Nurse Jamie tool is the easiest, then I'd say the Rose Quartz roller, and then lastly I would say the scraping tool. The reason that I'd say this is the easiest tool is because compared to the others, there's not actually any technical methods of how you do this on your face. It's completely up to you. It's basically been designed so that it can just go around your face and it just can go in any angle. So if you want to do a full like rotate and swing like that, you can do that. Like, it actually does the work for you, so the vibration and everything, it does everything for you. So this one is just perfect because it actually does do it all for you. So even though it is really expensive, it's actually probably, I don't want to say the most effective, but to me obviously it vibrates, so it's doing like them 6,000 beats per minute. It's doing it all for you. I just quickly wanted to mention the difference between the three tools here, but what I'm going to do my tutorial this, so I will give you every information you need to know on how to use it and how this works. So this is the Nurse Jamie NuVibe RX Amethyst Massaging Beauty Tool. Utilising in sonic vibration, this slimline tool starts an amethyst stone head which vibrates at 6,000 pulses per minute to soften the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles to promote a more radiant toned complexion. So as you can see, it has a huge natural amethyst stone on the head, and amethyst is meant to relieve stress. So it's also believed to calm inflammation and the nervous system. So amethyst is a great stone for massaging. I'm taking my Garnier lavender facial oil and I'm going to apply this on to my face and neck. So you can actually use this tool without an oil or serum on your face. I'll explain later on how you can use it on a drier face. So to turn it on, you need to gently turn the battery cover counterclockwise until it vibrates. So I'm starting at the base of the neck and I'm gently pressing and moving the tool in an upward motion towards my jawline. Do not roll the tool along your throat area. So I'm using this how I would use my roller, so I'm doing it 10 times. But if you want to work on your face, I would say to do 3 minutes on each side of the face, so altogether 6 minutes. So you want to hold the tool in a way that is comfortable in your hand. So moving on to my jawline, I'm going to gently press and roll the tool in an upward motion along my jawline. So I'm starting at my chin and moving upwards towards my ear. And the sonic vibration honestly feels so soothing on the skin. It's so relaxing and feels so good. So it's recommended to use this massaging tool once a day, going over every area twice. Oh, and you also want to make sure that your cream, oil or moisturiser is fully absorbed before using the tool on your skin. So yeah, do not overdo it with the creams. So moving on to my lip area, I'm going to gently press and move the tool around the outside of the lip area in an upwards motion. So right where we have those kind of smile lines, I'm just pushing those upwards. So amethyst is a natural cool stone, so that's why it feels so great on the skin, because you're instantly feeling that nice cooling effect. So now moving on to the cheek area, I'm gently pressing and gliding the tool upwards, moving from the middle of my face to the outside of my face. So I'm actually starting at the point of my nose and then dragging it up towards my ear. So the fact that this tool does thousands of high frequency vibrations per minute, it's actually really great for blood circulation. I also find that it's great for the facial muscle stimulation, so it is the perfect massager. So I don't actually feel the need to go over my nose, but I'm just showing you now that you can actually drag it down in a downwards motion on the nose, and I have a lovely spot here, so it's not ideal to apply on spots, I would say. So moving on to my eye area, I'm going to gently press and glide the tool under the eye area. So starting from the inner corner of the eye, I'm moving up and around to the brow area. So this is a really important area to work on because it helps reduce puffiness, dark circles and fine lines. So it's really great if you are feeling tired and you really need to look more awake. Obviously you do not want to use this near your eyelid, so do not apply it on the lash line or your eyeballs. So the areas you want to use your tool around is the eyes, the nose, the mouth, the cheek, the jawline and the neck. So moving on to the brow area, I'm going to gently press and glide the tool just at the brow bone, so moving from the middle of the face to the outside of the face. So this tool helps to temporarily soften fine lines and wrinkles. So as you can see, this device is so easy to use. So another way you can use this is actually going back and forth rather than doing one stroke, so you can actually just glide it back and forth. But I like to do these strokes because that's what I'm used to. So for the forehead, as you can see, I am gently gliding the tool upwards in an upward motion. So we are sort of meeting the hairline. So I'm working on the three sections of the forehead, the outer corners and the middle. So I'm now showing you that you can actually hold the tool in one area. So if you have a lot of tension in one area of the face, you can actually just hold it there for a few minutes. So I'm now showing you how you can use this tool without any serum or oils on your face. So on a dry skin, you can actually just toggle it around your skin. So basically back and forth, so almost like a massage motion, like how you would, use your fingers on your face. We are really sort of getting into that skin, and as you can see, my skin moving. This really is getting like the blood flow in my skin. So I really do like to do this, is just sort of toggle it like on areas of my skin. So yeah, that is pretty much what I'm doing here. So yeah, if you don't want a routine of working on certain areas of the face, you can just do this, what I'm doing right now, which is really easy to do. But obviously do not apply a lot of pressure because the vibration is doing it for you. So when you are finished with the tool, you want to wipe the tool with a dry or a damp cloth after every use. So that's pretty much everything you need to know about this amethyst massage tool. I absolutely love all three of my tools. I really stand by them, and it's something I actually religiously use. So that's why I wanted to do these videos, to show you the different kind of gemstone sort of massaging techniques there is. So yeah, I hope my video has helped you out if you want to purchase this or if you prefer the other techniques. So hopefully you found some useful information about the three different tools. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you soon.